Here are some Microsoft Excel basic shortcuts that one must know. Number 1, Ctrl A. Just press Ctrl then A. The whole chart will automatically be selected. That is the shortcut way to select all data in Microsoft Excel. Then number 2, that is Ctrl V. We need to bold our headings in most of the time. So here are the headings: dated, branch, department, pair to amount. We want to bold this data. So just press Ctrl and B. It will automatically be bold. Here we are going to related shortcuts. Sometimes we need to copy data from one place to another. That comes Ctrl C. For example, we are going to select on row number 15, and that is the data of country Austria, and we just need to select Ctrl C, and with this Ctrl C or copy, here comes another thing, that is Ctrl V, that is pasting. So we have just copied the data by using Ctrl C, and now we want to paste the data, that is Ctrl V. So that happened. So that is the way we can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V as a shortcut term in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes we need to fill the same data below. Then we use the fill down shortcut, that is called Ctrl D. Just select the column and just press Ctrl and D. The same amount is just copied to the next column. Sometimes we need to find data from numerous data or a big data sheet. So here is the shortcut to find, that is Ctrl F. Just press Ctrl F. You will get the find and replacement chart, and you need, if you for example you are searching data for USA, that just write USA in the data bar, and you just press find next, and you will get data USA, 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 and that is the shortcut way to find specific data. Here comes the shortcut number 6, that is Ctrl I Italic. So why we need to use italic? Sometimes we need to make our header more lucrative. Then we can use that shortcut. Just select the column and just press Ctrl I. It has made the italic. The way to open a new Microsoft Excel sheet, that is just press Ctrl N. Here is new Microsoft Excel sheet has opened, and you can use it for your new work. Sometime we work in different Microsoft Excel sheet at the same time. Then comes to Control O. That is Control O means the Control Open. That is see what happened. Control, just press Control then O. That here is different recent workbooks you can get. For example, I have worked in another data sheet that is just opened. Okay. If we want to print our worksheet, just press Ctrl P. Here we go. Just press Ctrl then P. Here is the printing format. Sometime we need to fill the same data on the right side of the column. uh, Here comes to Ctrl R. Just press Ctrl. For example, we can say I have just select F3 to F22. Just I have selected and I just press Ctrl R. Here the duplicate data has made, and thus we can make the fill right. Here are two ways to save our worksheet. That is just before, just above the file that is save. You can just pressing this, you can just save this worksheet. And the other shortcut is to just press Ctrl S, and it will automatically be saved. If we want to mark something important or some data important, we just need an underline. If we want to make an underline, we just need the help of the Ctrl U. Just for example, we can say here USA Accounts and Finance, we want to underline this criteria, then we just need to Ctrl U. Just it has been underlined with this data. To close the window, just press Ctrl W. The window has been closed. When I want to cut some data and to paste another, just select the data and press Ctrl X and just paste into the desired area. Just Ctrl V. Now you have just cut a data and pasted it on another side. To keep the things unchanged, or in mistakenly we have did a wrong pasting, then we can just use the Ctrl Z shortcut to undo the things.